All right, so you want to make money online and you want to know what are the three types of Facebook funnel that are trending and hot right now? Well, this is exactly the subject of this video. Hey everyone, Matt Giaro here, and I help content creators and knowledge workers identify their passion and expertise so that they can build a business around it. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the types of Facebook funnel that I came across during the past months so you can know exactly what's actually hot and trending right now. So it's up to you if you want to do exactly what's hot or if you want to go exact opposite and do exactly what the others are not doing. So it's up to you. So basically, I sent out an email to my list yesterday, and I told them that, yeah, it happened that I'm going on Facebook just to make some quick research, and yeah, I'm basically not using Facebook to waste my time, but yeah, doing research and really dissecting and checking really all the ads that pop in front of me, right? So I've identified three hot funnels that everyone is using right now, especially in the make money online niche. So, what are those funnels? So, funnel number one is basically asking for the upfront sale. Okay, so let me explain that. So, basically, the ad is straight to the point, it sells you something right away, and usually it's a product between 7 and 47 bucks, like at this around this price point, right? So it can be a course, a blueprint, or anything else, right? So what are the cons of this using like this kind of funnel? So obviously the big pro is that you will only start building a buyers list, right? So you get rid of all those freebie seekers and all those that just subscribe to a list just to get something for free, right? So the quality of the list quality basically that you are building will be much higher than basically building something out with only freebie seekers, right? But the cons and the big cons of that is that, right, it's really hard to make a sale on like the first time you meet someone, right? So let's say if you get a lead for let me just write this down here. So getting a lead, let's say for something for free, will certainly be less expensive than getting someone to buy straight away, right? So yeah, this is something to consider. So if you're not afraid about spending more, but only getting buyers, then you may consider this kind of funnel. The second kind of funnel that's hot and trending right now is basically the classical webinar funnel, right? And usually, how does those webinars end? So basically, you have the ad, right, that sends you to an registration page for a webinar, so an opt-in page for a webinar, and then you have a recorded webinar here, right? Like I don't know if there are still people doing live webinars, but like nowadays, like you just see everywhere those recorded webinars, right? And usually, what happened after this webinar at the end? Well, there is a product pitch, right? So usually, I still found it hard to believe, but like there are still those same funnels like that we saw like years ago. But yeah, if people are still doing this, that means that they probably work. And basically, at the end, they pitch you one usually a 9 and 7 product, and or like jumping on a call with them. So a strategy session, how they like to call it. So the SS, the strategy session, where they're going to try to close you on the phone, right? So what are the pros, right? There are a lot of pros regarding this, but let me just talk quickly about the cons here. So the cons is really, like they say in France, this déjà vu, which means that, I mean, who is in money or make a money online niche and didn't start this kind of funnel already, right? So it can be really like annoying because you know exactly how this webinar is going to go, like, and you already know that there will be a product pitch, right? So anyways, yeah, this is like the second hot funnel right now that I saw basically on Facebook, and even though on YouTube, YouTube is full of that. And the third kind of funnel is basically also like a classic freebie giveaway funnel. And at the end, basically, they like after you opt in. So let me just map this out here. So you have the ad, that, and then you have an opt-in page, and then what's happened is like you have directly like your free opt-in, and basically they ask you also for booking a strategy session, right? So this is also like something that's hot right now. And yeah, what are the pros? But basically you are going to get a lot of leads, right? If you like this, if you get the right freebie, right, you're going to get like a ton of leads. But the thing is, yeah, basically the big con is that what kind of leads are you going to get? Are you getting just freebie seekers, or just people who need a little bit more to know you better? Like, to be honest, I think it's quite hard to get someone on the phone right away, directly after an opt-in. And I think those kind of funnel can work pretty well if you have a really kick-ass freebie, right? And when really people feel like the people that are opting in really feel themselves understood, right? And that basically you have the solution to their problem, then a strategy session make complete and total sense. But if it's just like proposing a strategy session just to get someone on the phone and try to close him, like you're not going to be successful using this kind of method, right? So those are the 3 funnels that are currently hot right now in the make money online niche. So what's your favorite? Tell me that in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe also to the channel. And if you got any value out of this video, please be sure to hit and smash that subscribe button and the like button. And if you haven't already, you're going to see a link to my daily emails that I send out every day at 10 a.m. Eastern with a tip like that in order to help you building your coaching business and a business around your passion and your expertise. Well, that being said, I see you on the next one.